Morleo Moria serves as the Death Company dreadnought of the Blood Angels during the era Indomitus. Once the revered artificer and captain of the 4th Company, the Knights of Baal, during battle upon the world of Clamorga against the Eldar Xenos, Morleo suffered a grievous wound. His glories so numerous during his tenure, only the revered Furioso pattern of dreadnought would suffice to entomb his body. Built by his own hands prior to his injury, the chassis of the dreadnought had housed great heroes of the chapter, such as Bellerophon, Dario, and Amaretto, who each in turn laid waste to the enemies of the blood. Yet soon after his interring within his sarcophagus, Morleo succumbed to the curse of the Black Rage. Assigned as the only serving dreadnought of the Death Company, whilst it is unusual for a dreadnought to suffer from the curse, Morleo is among the few of his damned kin who is not culled by their commanding chaplain, Lamates, following their initial engagement. Fighting the enemies of the Imperium, unburdened by fear nor the frailty of his prior form, within his dreadnought body he is nigh impervious to damage. At the vanguard of among the most desperate conflicts waged by the chapter, Moria the Chosen, on occasion, is additionally afflicted by the Red First during his rampages. A terrifying colossus in battle, Moria's caretakers must allow him to sate his thirst for blood by allowing him to partake in consuming vitae in order to stave off his curse. Aiding his kin during the Battle of Antax and ripping apart the giant orc warboss, Gutstomper, his hunger for vengeance remains to this day as he continues to fight in the name of the Great Angel. For it is the hope of his brethren that one day Moria the Chosen shall die a glorious death in battle. His legacy solidified as among the most legendary heroes of his chapter.